When I think of Atlantic City, I usually think of Susan Sarandon rubbing lemons all over herself. But that was a movie from 1981, and this is today. This is Mike Diamond for Fear TV at the Borgata in Atlantic City for the Miss America pageant. So I guess really it's Transatlantic City.
I'm tingling all over.
Did it feel good to crush the other contestants?
You know, a lot of these girls are close friends. They're sisters.
But they were.
They did look a little angry back there.
Yeah.
But no, when I entered and I saw who was competing in this pageant tonight, I really felt any one of us could have taken the crown.
Yeah.
Such a talented and beautiful group of girls. All the more reason why I'm very humbled to have made this
Dancing
history.
bitches on that stage.
Girls came, they danced, they sang, they changed their costumes. We really did a show tonight.
I was exhausted just watching them. And a little bit hungry, but I hear that there are cookies at the after party.
Food? I wouldn't dare eat in public.
Vita Summers, you were a contestant in the Miss America pageant,
Yes, I was.
but your dreams were crushed.
Well, not crushed, but postponed.
What happened, girl?
I didn't make the top 5, but that's how it goes.
Now tell us about the difference between pageant drag and other kinds of drag. Like, say, booger drag.
Well, pageant drag actually goes deeper than that. There's Southern pageant drag.
That's where they'll, like, cut you.
Oh my gosh, in the South, pageants are the way you build your career. And then, you know, there's drag that's built on entertainment rather than built on beauty and preparation, you know?
Why are Southern pageant queens so evil? Not to generalize.
They're not necessarily evil to each other. They may not be as nice to outsiders.
Okay.
Miss America. And then she
Yeah,
said,
that's it.
Miss America. She was hollering.
Miss America. Take it.
Miss America.
I thought they were saying Fist America.
Not all
I
at
thought-
once.
What a provocative pageant.
One here, one here.
Miss America. Key change, Miss America. Atlantic City is a fantastic place to come have a great time. It's close to New York City. It's close to Philadelphia. And this is a fabulous place. They have a great spa. They have great restaurants, great entertainment, and they've really embraced our community. So come to the
cute
Borgata.
boys.
And there are hot guys
Those Miss
here.
America dancers.
Yeah, I'm going to be...
You almost got pregnant on that stage, yo.
later here at the Borgata.
Which contestant was the most difficult during rehearsals?
All of them, they were terrible.
How long did you rehearse for this pageant?
But this pageant, I've been studying for a month, like studying like the pageantries, because I came from the performance girl, like showgirls background. So I do a lot of like dance number, I do kicks, all those musical theater, and then to come do a pageant, it's totally different world.
Do your ankles hurt right now?
No, my feet are hurt. It's a peep toe, so like all 5 try to push out. The 5 big boys like try to push out.
I had 5 push out once. I'll never date those guys again. Bootsy LaFaris, you are a drag performer, although not a contestant tonight.
No, I was not. I did the pageant actually 2012 and 2013, I believe, and lost. But I'm here. I was dancing with Miss Tina Burner tonight.
Now, she's in the dressing room crying because she didn't win. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
Can you sing the Miss America theme song?
Oh yeah, Miss America.
Oh, you suck. Bootsy LaFaris, thank you so much.
Love you. Mwah.
Tina Burner, you have been publicly humiliated.
How do I feel?
How do you feel?
I feel amazing. Look, I brought my A game. There's nothing more I could have done. So I'm happy with what I did. It was in the hands of the judges. So
I thought you rock socked at Mama.
listen, my mama was there. She flew in from North Carolina, and that's the only person I had to impress tonight, and that's what I did.
So your shame is deep and personal.
Not even personal at all, girl. That's my mama. She's proud of her boy, so I'm proud of that.
What makes northern pageant queens different than those evil southern pageant queens?
Because the Northern Queens, we like to have fun because we won the war.
You.
Me.
I have seen you grow from a little baby drag queen into the horrible, soul-crushing monster you are today. Congratulations on your win.
so much.
Fifi Dubois, you are Miss America
Miss America.
2016. Now, what does that mean?
I'm not really sure. It means that I spent a lot of money on a package to donate none of it to charity for other people to buy tickets to donate to charity.
Yes.
So yeah,
Are
it's
you
very
like
exciting.
shocked and surprised?
I'm very shocked and super surprised, but very honored. And pageant answer.
Because when I saw you come out, I said, oh, that bitch gonna lose. When you snatched the crown, did you feel like, ha, I crushed these bitches?
I felt more like, ha, I slayed these bitches.
You slayed,
I
and you
slayed
most
them.
certainly did.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
Thank
Fifi
you,
Dubois,
my dear.
Miss America 2016.
16.
Tina, what advice do you have for up-and-coming girls in the drag and or pageant scene?
Have fun. Realize even tonight that you can't take it too seriously. It's in the hands of judges, but listen, if the audience loves you and you love yourself and you bring everything together and you're proud of it, who gives a fuck what anybody else thinks?
Amen to that.
That's it, bitch. And now what we do, we drink and we have a good time.
This is Mike Diamond with Tina Burner in Atlantic City for Fierce TV. Thanks, Tina.
You're welcome.